everybody, welcome back to my channel. I went to CVS. You know what? It is a slow week at CVS. Now there might be some good deals if you guys have good CRTs. I'm not a person who does like the glitches and everything with the manufacturer coupons and the digitals. I don't like that because someday in the end it's gonna haunt us. It's gonna come back and haunt us. Otherwise there just won't be options to do a lot of things. So I don't have a lot of deals to do today, but you know what? It was funny. This is the shortest time I have ever been in the store. This is the smallest haul I think I've ever had since I first started couponing. But my store, they didn't get a truck this week, so my store was out of stock on a lot of things. So that is okay, but I just got 5 items. So I ended up getting the Colgate toothpaste. I know they say you shouldn't pay for toothpaste, but you know, I still like to share with you guys on this. So this was $3.99. You want to buy 2 of them. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'd pay $4.98 for this, but then you get a $4 extra care buck back, making it 98 cents or 49 cents each. So pretty decent deal. I mean, considering, you know, the deals. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $7. You want to use that 3 off of 2 insert coupon we got a while back, or last week. You'd pay $4 for this, but you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these absolutely just $2 or $1 each. And then I was going to do this deal last week, but then I'm like, I'm going to see if there's any other deals for it. I had a $2.50 off Dial CRT, and I was going to use it the body wash, and then I'm like, I'm going to scan the soap. So this was $2.49, and my CRT worked, and it took off $2.49. So I got this absolutely for free. So pretty good. And that was everything that I got. I was trying to get some Ibotta deals, but I just didn't have the sales, the coupons, the stock. And that's okay. It's nice to take a little break. I am like completely swamped today. Anyways, I have 8 Etsy orders I got to work on. So I am swamped. So today is a great day for it to be easy on couponing. But my total came to $2.98. Now make sure if you guys have not, make sure you're using Flues. I do have a Flues link below. Flues actually sponsored us when we went to Richmond, Virginia, which was awesome. But basically, Flues is an app where you guys can get money. I went to Michael's the other day. I had to buy some picture frames for something I sell on Etsy. Well, I get, it was like 2%, but then if I use some of my Flues balance, I'd even get more money. So I got $3.80 back with Flues. And then when you can stack them on with online purchases, I used Rakuten, and I got 12% cash back with Rakuten. The item that I bought, I couldn't use any coupons or anything. So between Flues and Rakuten, I got money back. 12% plus I got $3.80 I think back with my purchase. So make sure you guys are using Flues. It's an awesome site. Even if you don't have any vouchers, it's still an awesome thing. And then you kind of just save your balance. And then when you use your balance in the app, you get even more cash back. You get like double the cash back, which is awesome. So I have the link below. If you guys have not used it, use it. It is an awesome app, especially if like Bath and Body Works. Use it. You get paid to shop, basically what it is. So yeah, my total came to $2.98, 59 cents each. Kind of sad, but that is okay. Even the cashier was laughing at me. He's like, that's all you're getting? And I said, yeah, that's all I'm getting because it's just so slow. So that is fine. Again, thanks for watching this video. A big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.